Hello, my name is Ryan, and welcome to my life. Welcome to the park. My wife is feeding the baby in the back. I hope you can't see too much. Carefully chose the angle so you couldn't. I'm going to read you a poem that I wrote myself. Sort of a cold read slash hot read. It's something I wrote thinking about the birds in my neighborhood. And how all of the birds have a different personality. The crows, the hawks, the sparrows, and of course the hummingbird. They have their own personalities, their own way, their own nature, and all of them are beautiful in my eyes. So this is a poem that I'll come up with the name eventually and put it in the title. So it's about the birds in my neighborhood, and here it goes.
The crows like to laugh and sing, not as mockingbirds or nightingales, but in their peculiar ring. All sparrows like to flap and fly, though not as high as the eagle or the condor, and if you ask them why, they might reply, "Big white clouds are such a bore. We find our fun in green, shady bushes. With ample room to seat our tushes, we also like to fight, dance, and prance. Oh, you want to catch us? You have no chance."
"Not so," thinks the big strong hawk. "All you little birds do is squawk, squawk, squawk.
I'll swoop you up to make my meal.
Around these parts I'm a big feather deal."
"Silence your spiel," hums a bird, tiny, and without another word, floats on down to a sweet-smelling flower, then thinks, "My large avian friends are so absurd."